We will be cooking orzo with butter today. It's a delicious recipe that also looks great with differently colored orzo. I am adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan and 100 milliliters of orzo to it. We will be using 300 milliliters of orzo in total. I am initially using 100 milliliters of it to make it golden brown. After sauteing it for 2 to 3 minutes and making sure it changed in color, I am adding the rest of the orzo, which is 200 milliliters. I am continuing to saute it. Let's add a tablespoon of butter and around 600 milliliters of water to the pan. The water can be cold or hot, it's up to you. We will use the remaining 200 milliliters of water later on. It's time to add in the spices now. I am using half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cumin and some salt. After mixing it all, let's place the lid back on and leave it to simmer. After the orzo absorbs most of the water, let's add the remaining 200 milliliters of it. At this stage, I am turning the heat down to the lowest setting and leaving it to simmer. Let's put the lid on and wait for it to absorb the water. The orzo has absorbed almost all of the water. At this point, let's turn the heat on and leave the orzo to steep. It will absorb the remaining water and shortly be ready. Let's place a paper towel on the pan and place the lid on top of it. Now it will rest for half an hour. Our orzo dish is ready and it just looks great. Please do not forget to like and share our videos. Enjoy!